to my channel. So today I will be showing you an easy abstract painting which is specially dedicated to Mother's Day. So without wasting any moment, let's start today's video. Okay, so I bought this canvas pad from Flipkart under rupees 250 or 260 I guess. So let's open it. It has 10 sheets and the quality of the sheets are so good under this budget. So if you wish, you can check it out. This pad is both available on Amazon and Flipkart. So now let's start. So before starting, I always prepare some layouts. So today I wish to paint this. So now I will quickly do the sketching part. Then we will proceed to our coloring part. And as my sketching is done, so next part is my favorite, and which is the coloring. So firstly we will color the skin areas, and for that I have mixed yellow, orange, white with some black and apply it all over the skin. Okay, so I am Upasona from Kolkata, a simple Bengali girl who loves creating art, painting, crafting. So I started this channel about 2 years ago, but had not active properly due to some reasons. But this time my mom forced me to do this. So I want to show people my love for art through this channel, and for that all I need is your support. So it's my humble request to all who are watching me right now that please do subscribe to my channel. Then I have take red and green to complete Ma Parvati's dress. And then we will take yellow to color the ornaments. So after finishing the main areas, now I will do the background, and for that I just use two colors. As you can see, I only use yellow and orange. And then I will color the hairs with brown and black. So with this thin tip round brush, now I will concentrate to define the borders. So if you search on YouTube, you can find many paintings of Krishna with Yashoda, but I see very less number of videos that shows Ganesha with Ma Parvati. So I thought Mother's Day is the best day to draw on this topic. So do let me know in the comment section how do you like it or not, and if you wish you can follow me on my Insta. So my painting is almost done. Now I will add some white strokes on it. So if you love my process, then please like this video, comment down below and share it with your friends and family, and do subscribe to my channel because every week I will post new videos. So keep watching. Thank you.